Are you looking for how to get free HTTPS for your website? I'll show you how to do exactly just that in this tutorial using Cloudflare. Hello guys, my name is Ojo Israel. This channel is all about digital security for everyone. I teach you guys to do what you are already doing online securely. And every Saturday, I bring you a tech video like this, which may or may not be related to security. At any point, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Alright, adding SSL with Cloudflare is a very easy process that shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. And I'm going to step you through that in 4 or 3 simple steps. The first step is to go to cloudflare.com and sign up for an account. I'm logging in because I already have an account. The next step is to add the domain of your website. Okay, please don't hack.me was the free domain we registered in the previous tutorial. I'm going to add that site. Here, just click on next. Choose the free plan and confirm it. Confirm that again. Over here, unless you know what you are doing, you really don't have to do anything. Just continue. Okay. Now, the next step is to change our name servers. For Cloudflare to be able to serve you, you will have to hand over your domain name system to them, which means this is the name server information at my domain name registrar, and I'm going to be changing this with these ones provided by Cloudflare. I'll show this with Namecheap, but you can do this with any other domain registrar like GoDaddy. Only the menu location will be slightly different. So over here at my domain dashboard for please don't hack.me, I'll come to domain list and scroll down to where you have name servers. Then you change that from basic to custom DNS, and then we'll copy over the domain information we are giving. So I'll copy this and I'll paste. I'll copy again and I'll paste and save. Okay, this says it will take up to 48 hours to take effect, but if everything goes on well, that should be about 5 minutes. Come over back to this tab and continue. I'm just going to leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll come back here. But if yours is taking too long, you can click on this recheck now button. Alright, but before then, let me show you that this site doesn't have HTTPS before now. And you can see I'm accessing please don't hack.me over on the HTTP not secure protocol, and you see Google Chrome has marked this site as not secure. Google, as from Chrome version 68, started to display this not secure warning sign on websites that were not being served on HTTPS, and that is something that will be bad for your visitors when they come to your site. Okay, welcome. This domain is now live on Cloudflare. This took about 5 to 10 minutes for the DNS records to propagate. The next thing is to check whether your site now has the secure HTTPS protocol. I'm going to type https:// and enter. Okay, right here you see it's been done. Easy peepsy. That was very quick and easy. I have the secure sign now, no longer not secure. But however, there's still one more thing we need to change. You see this S, and I delete that out and I access the website. I'm still able to access please don't hack.me over on the HTTP not secure protocol, and this beats the whole essence of this whole exercise. So to fix that, come back to your Cloudflare tab, click on crypto, then scroll down till you find always use HTTPS. Switch that on, give it a moment. What this does is we always redirect any request coming on the non-secure HTTP protocol to the secure HTTPS protocol. Alright, now test that out again. And then I'll try to delete this out again. You can see that automatically redirects. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let's discuss in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. See you on the next one. Bye.